In recent times, artists around the world have used their talents to highlight the urgent matter of climate change. Whether it's a captivating painting or a compelling installation, art is becoming a powerful medium to address the environmental issues we confront. Of course, this isn't just a recent trend. Think back a few decades. Before many of us were even born, in 1982, artist Agnes Denes embarked on a project that still resonates today. Wheatfield, a confrontation. She cultivated a wheatfield on a landfill in Lower Manhattan, just a stone's throw away from Wall Street and the World Trade Center, with the Statue of Liberty in the background. For 4 months, this field flourished. In August, it yielded over 1,000 pounds of golden wheat. Imagine a wheat field on a land valued at 4.5 billion. This wasn't about farming, of course. It was a statement. It highlighted our misplaced values, drawing attention to issues like mismanagement, waste, and global hunger. Those harvested grains, they were sent to farmers for planting and to museums. While this project is still talked about, one wonders, did it inspire New Yorkers to be more eco-conscious? In general, can art that addresses climate change have a measurable impact on viewers? Hello, I'm Anastasia, a master coach, author, and the driving force behind Eco-Being training. Today we'll dive into the pivotal role art plays in addressing the climate crisis. I'll tell about the objectives artists have in their environmental projects, and we ponder on whether art can be a boon or bane in this context. For many, art serves as a bridge to communicate scientific facts. David Buckland once said, "Climate change is a reality. Caused by us all, it's no longer the preserve of the Arctic or Amazon. It's here in our communities, presenting a cultural, social, and economic challenge that extends beyond the science." The very nature of science, with its data, theories, and graphs, can sometimes be overwhelming. It speaks volumes to its community, but might seem alien to the layperson. The question is, how can we spread the message of climate change more effectively? Bill McKibben believes in the power of art, and so do I. He remarks, art can convey in a different way than science the threat that climate change poses to our planet. The world's best scientists have tried to wake up politicians to the climate crisis. Now we're counting on artists to help. There is a belief that art can provide a personal touch, making individuals truly feel and connect with the science of climate change. So how exactly does art achieve this? Research suggests that art projects have different goals, which can be categorized as raising awareness, building connections and networks, inspiring through creativity, participating in collaborative creation and design. A significant number of climate art projects have the goal of fostering a fresh intellectual and emotional awareness of climate change. They leverage the art as a tool to visualize the evolving planet and shifts our perceptions regarding the impacts and risks of climate change. Now let's dive deeper into this prevalent idea of raising awareness. Many believe that the foremost purpose of art, especially concerning climate change, is to shine a light on the issue. The thought beyond the process is straightforward. By enlightening individuals about the crisis, they will be motivated to take action. The hope is that they will truly comprehend the urgency of the matter and will be unable to remain indifferent. Take a moment to hear from ecological artist Thijs Bierstekker.
Because once you see it, you can imagine it. And once you imagine it, well, then it becomes really hard to deny it. And that leaves one option open: taking action on it.
But examining this from a psychological angle, is action truly our only option? The oldest and simplest models of pro-environmental behavior were based on a linear progression of knowledge leading to awareness and concern, which in turn was thought to lead to pro-environmental behavior. However, unfortunately, it doesn't work like this, and these 1970s models were quickly debunked. Multiple theories have been proposed to explain the gap between the possession of environmental knowledge, being aware of the issues, and displaying eco-friendly behavior. Despite countless studies, a concrete answer remains elusive. Research showed that in most cases, increases in knowledge and awareness did not lead to behavior. Interestingly, in some cases, it can even induce apathy or inaction. Such endeavors might evoke overwhelming emotions tied to climate change, such as despair, sorrow, grief, and trauma. If you're curious about the emotional aspects of the climate crisis, check out my previous video, where I dived into the myriad feelings associated with it. When bombarded with direct information, our minds sometimes resort to denial as a defense mechanism against distress. Those of us passionate about the climate crisis aim to disseminate knowledge and seek solidarity. While some share through conversation, others, like myself, engage in group initiatives or express through art. But sometimes, with our best intentions, we pave the road to anxiety. In our urgency to share our concerns and hopes, we might transfer our anxieties onto others. Instead of fostering mutual support and collective action, we might unintentionally cause denial and alienation. This raises a critical question. What should art's role be in this scenario? If art forcefully conveys its message, urging viewers to sit up and act, does it remain art? Or does it veer towards propaganda? The boundary between them can indeed be nebulous. Propaganda aims to persuade, often overlooking the subtleties in favor of a singular agenda. In contrast, genuine art seeks to stir, challenge, and spark introspection. In my upcoming video, we'll dive deeper into these diverse roles of art, showcase intriguing contemporary projects, and explore how art may aid in mitigating the climate crisis. Subscribe to my channel for more insights. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.